Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 7.4. As yesterday we have done the previous questions and in that we have done comparison. Okay. So here is the question: is 5 by 9 equals to 4 by 5? So we have to compare. So 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. Two fractions are given. First of all, we will see that is denominator equal or numerator equal. So here in these both the cases, in both the fractions, there is not denominator is equal, not numerator is equal. Okay. In this condition, then we will check that these can be simplified. So here we will see that these are not simplifying also. Okay. So what we will do here, we will convert them into like fractions. Means we will make denominator same. So here in 9 and 5, we will just take out the LCM. And 5 and 9, LCM of 5 and 9 that we have done earlier also, that is 45. So we will make the denominator 45 in both the fraction. This is 5 by 9. So 9 into 5. So same thing we will do in numerator also. It is 25 and here it is 45. Now here 4 upon 5, we will multiply it by 9 and here 4 9s are 36 and 45. Okay. So here we will see that these equal now? 25 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Are these equal? No. These are not equal. So in answer what we will write? We will write that 5 upon 9 is not equals to 4 upon 5. So in answer we will write that 5 by 9 is not equals to 4 by 5. Get it? Now let us see the next one. Now here you will see, again we will check denominators are not equal, numerators are not equal. Now we will see that second thing, that these can be simplified or not. So is it can be simplified? No, this one cannot be simplified, but 16 upon 20 can be simplified. So the 16 upon 20 we can write 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So are these equal? So what we get? 4 by 5 and here also we get 4 by 5, that is equal. So we will write that 4 by 5. Yes, so here we will write down that what? 4 by 5 is equals to 16 by 20. Got? Now see the next one. Question is, Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Okay. Ela has read 25 pages out of 100 pages. In a book, total number of pages are 100, out of which she has read 25 pages. Now Lalita's fraction is given, means 2 by 5 of the same book. Okay. So who read less? Getting? So first of all, fraction of Leela we will find out. Fraction of Ela, sorry. It is 25 out of 100. This is. We got the fraction 1 by 4. Now Lalita's is given. Fraction is given how much? It is given 2 by 5. So you can compare these two. Okay. So what we will do? We will just compare them by making their denominators same. Now see, on comparing 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. So we will make their denominators same. So here we will do, it will come 20. So 4 5s are 1 5s are. It is 5 by 20 and 2 by 5 means 5 4s are. So here we will multiply by 4 in the second case. Now who read less pages? So who has done less? Who read the less pages? Ela. So we'll write that Ela read less pages. Now see the next one. Question number 9. Question is, Rafiq exercised for 3 upon 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3 upon 4 of an hour. Okay. So who exercised for a longer time? So this you have to do. You have to, again comparison, we have to do comparison only. So in this case what we will do, See, Rafi exercised for 3/6 of an hour. Means from 1 hour he exercised 3/6 of 1 hour. Okay. And same thing we will write for Rohit also. Rohit exercised for 3/4 of an hour. Okay. Now see, we have to compare 3/6 and 3/4. Now see. Now in this case, we will see denominators are different, but numerators are same. So in such case, what we used to do, which one fraction has a smaller denominator, that one will be greater. So here 3/4 is greater. It means Rohit exercised for longer time. Okay.